Is it recording?
Yes.
Okay. So, last video we showed you the heavy machine gun made out of Lego here.
How many Lego?
We modified it. We kind of made it weirder and more, I don't know, better, I don't know, worse. The little scope thing here is gone. We don't need it. The handle thing here is more loose and up now. And this ammo box still loose, which isn't an improvement, more like a disimprovement. Or, I don't know, just default. So, we're going to talk about the heavy machine gun made out of Legos, or the heavy machine gun Lego.
Wait,
us.
dude. You know, I want to see your head a little bit darker.
What?
I want to see you. I think your head is a little bit darker. Look, it's a little bit darker.
Don't show my face, dude.
I don't show your face.
Okay.
A little bit I'll show you.
So we're gonna talk about this massive piece and
Oh, look, I see the gun.
I am Harry, and my cousin, who is the cameraman, is Tom. Harry and Tom. I am about 12 years old, and Tom is about 7 years old. We are just two cousins messing around with Legos and the other things. Like, you can suggest us what to do, but don't suggest us like crazy things. And you can suggest us what should we do next with the Legos. Should we make another gun, or should we make a build? So, yeah, it's kind of just it. Like, there's nothing else. But next video we're going to make a heavy shotgun or a combat shotgun.
Not a so heavy shotgun. Comment below who's gonna make a shotgun. No.
If nobody comments down below, that means nobody actually saw this video yet. But that's okay, because next video we're gonna make the shotgun anyways. So we're gonna break this and recycle it, and so it's not breaking. And we recycle this to the heavy shotgun. Okay, stop recording. Stop recording!